Now let us understand what are the methods of constructing the index number. So we will understand one by one what is the method and what's the significance.
Now see, there are different methods of constructing an index method. The most important ones are simple index numbers, which you can see here, and weighted index number. Now again, under simple index number, we have the simple aggregate method and we have the simple average of price method. Whereas under weighted index numbers, we have the weighted average of price relative method and weighted aggregate or aggregative method. Now, let's understand one by one. When I'm talking about simple index numbers, in simple index number, what happen is all items under the consideration would be given equal weightage. Okay, so all the goods and services I'm considering while calculating the index number, I will give an equal weightage to it. Now we have this subtype simple aggregative method. So in this method, what happens is the sum total of prices of the base and the current year are considered when we are computing the index number. We'll take a problem on that and understand more. Okay, whereas when it comes to simple average of price relative method, the average of price relatives is considered while computing the index number. Now when it comes to weight or weighted index number, as the name implies, here the different items would be given different weightage depending on the relative importance in that particular index number. So for example, if I'm calculating the CPI or the WPI, so because oil or what we popularly call as petrol has higher importance, it would be given higher weightage. Okay, now weightage average of price relative method is a simple weighted arithmetic means of all the price relatives. So this is a very simple method, but when it comes to weighted aggregative method, the weights would be assigned to various items and the weight aggregate of the prices are obtained. Okay, now we will learn there are three important methods which is being prescribed by your board. So we learn only those three methods under weighted aggregative method when we do the problems.